It's after 8. I waited all day for my after 8 mint chocolate thins. Let's eat some. Hi, I'm back for another food product review today. This has a plastic on. I'm doing a review on these after 8. After 8 chocolates. Mint chocolates thins. It says mint chocolaty thins. Net weight 7.05 ounces, 200 grams. I've had them before and they were so delicious. The chocolate and the mint, just perfect. Let's try them. I'll let you taste one. After 8. After 8. So let's open them. There's a little paper that comes on top of the chocolate thins. That's what it looks like. Let's see the expiration date, 11/2018. I got them just recently. And today is March 11th, 2018. So that'll last a while. 11 means November. I'll let you know about the nutrition facts. Let me show you the nutrition facts. Serving size 5 mints, 43 grams. Servings per container about 4. 180 calories. Calories from fat 50. Total fat 6 grams, and here you can read it. Sugars 29 grams and even protein a gram. I'll read you the ingredients later. Let's try one. It says manufactured by Nestle Confectionery, UK Ltd. Haxby Road, New York, Y091 1XY, England. From England. Now I really need to speak with an English accent, don't I? Unfortunately, I don't have an English accent. I'm from Germany, but no matter where you're from, you can always enjoy an after 8 chocolate. What did it say? Chocolaty. It said mint chocolaty thins. A mint chocolaty thin. They come in these little bags. Look. Gold. Gold for you. Oh, look, it even says it in the back. After 8. So, hold on, let me give you one too. Then we can eat one together. You're welcome. Yeah. Chocolaty. Don't really taste the mint right now. And I like them cold in the refrigerator, from the refrigerator. Let me show you the nutrition facts. Ingredients. Sugar. Sugar is the first ingredient. Chocolate. Glucose syrup, or glucose syrup you say, from wheat and or corn, vegetable oils, palm, shea. Don't know what it says here. LLIPE or something like this. Mango kernel. Then kokum gurgi, I don't know, and sal, SAL, do they mean salt? And less than 2% of milk fat. Cocoa butter, sunflower lecithin, peppermint oil, citric acid, invertase, I don't know how to say it, contains milk and wheat ingredients, may contain peanuts, nuts, or nuts. Peanuts, nuts. It says distributed in the USA by this. Here's the address, and Seat Brothers, so I don't know how you say it. Product of the United Kingdom, England. Store in a cool, dry place. I tasted peppermint. That's from the peppermint oil they put in there. Excellent. Thank you, Nestle. I'll have another one. And then tomorrow again after 8. You need to take time to enjoy it. How do you like yours? I'll show you. That's what they look like. Thank you for watching another food product review from me today.